So why the profile is important. As we mentioned, up 18% from last year. They are reading the reviews more than ever. And it's good reviews and bad reviews. And we'll talk about this a little bit later in terms of what the responses are. Actually, it's the next slide. And then most people are willing to give reviews, even good or bad. So that's important to know if you're having trouble getting reviews. So we were talking about this, and this is what we were talking about. When you get a review, what are they looking at in terms of actually getting it? What's going to help you convert? So if it describes a positive experience, that's what they wanted to see. Oops, went too fast. That's what they wanted to see. The high star rating, yeah. And what we noticed this was 55% want to see the business owner has responded. That's positive and negative.